Hello friends, and thank you for joining me on today's video. The fall is almost over and wintertime soon will be upon us, and now we find ourselves at the mercy of one of the gloomiest months. At this time of the year, I feel severely deprived of light, while the sky in my window is always a different shade of grey and the day goes by in a blink of an eye. I find it difficult to stay motivated and fight the drowsiness and exhaustion that the end of the year brings along. The gloomiest month calls for hot cocoa, curling on the sofa with a book, and dreamily watching the play of shadows that the flickering candle casts upon the walls. And I didn't have enough of those yet. So this week I've been trying to find time between my main work and my small art business to cherish the moments of lazy quietness and practice some self-care routine. And there is no better self-care and stress relief for me than reading. Just holding a beautiful book in my hands gives me a burst of joy. And this week I got an idea how I can actually draw inspiration from reading to make something highly inspiring, something that will be motivating me to get through the dark time of the year and be looking forward to the next month. And that is how I got an idea to make a bookish advent calendar. In the past, I made advent calendars for my husband, and of course my son gets one every year, but I never had one for myself. So this year I put a lot of thought into what book-inspired things I want to make, and what I want to buy, and I started working on my bookish self-care advent calendar project. Stay with me to see all the bookish crafts that I recently made and a few cute little things I purchased to include to the advent calendar. Thank you for spending this time with me and for all the love you've been giving this channel and my videos. A Christmas shop update will be coming next week. It's a bit late this year, but unfortunately I couldn't manage it any sooner. I will leave a link to my shop in the description box and I will share in the community when the shop update is live. Thank you always. I'm wishing you a quiet and lovely week. Goodbye.